It's okay.
I want to run into Mommy's plants.
You're not going to run into Mommy's plants. Okay. No. You're going to ride back out.
No, I don't want to.
Please show me. Show Mommy how you can ride.
Show me, guy. Yay! Oh, good job steering. Good job, Logan.
I keep going that way.
Here, start from the sidewalk and come down. You did so
let's
good.
go to the sidewalk and we'll come back.
Well, don't go yet. Feel.
Alright, look around. Right back. Okay, here we go.
There's a butterfly.
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going.
There's a butterfly on that.
Yay! Good job, Logan.
Did you know you just rode all by yourself? Dad wasn't rolling on at all.
The whole way. Come back this way.
Okay, show Mommy.
Oh, Lincoln's crying.
There's a butterfly on that little flower.
There was? You better watch the road instead of the butterfly, though.